Hi all, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dipanshu Porwal and today I'll be talking about some interesting topics like what are agents, what is multi-agent system, Agentic AI, and lastly about the Microsoft AutoGen framework. So without a further ado, let's start with our first topic, what are agents. So agents, you can consider nothing but a digital co-worker whose task is to do a specific kind of work. So it is kind of autonomous entity that can perceive its environment, make decision and take action to achieve the goals. So if we consider some real life examples, we can say like our Gmail spam filter detection is a agent whose task is to spam the filter in our inbox. The second we consider is like robot vacuum cleaner whose task is to sense the dust and clean it. So these are few examples. I hope it is clear to you guys. So coming to our next topic, that is multi-agent system. So this is where true power unlocks. So where like multiple agents working together, so they are like cooperate, compete and coordinate with each other to provide us a better result. So each group chat where like every member has a specific and expert job, team where different specialists tackle different parts of a subject. I think it was clear to you guys. Next, coming to our hot topic of today is agentic AI. So this is where our magic happens. So it is a new paradigm where an AI, often powered by our LLM, can behave like autonomous agents. So it's not only in reactive in nature but proactive, whose task is goal driven, and it can do like planning, multitasking, calling APIs, all these things to provide us a better answer. So if we compare it with our traditional AI, where in traditional AI you ask one model, it gives you one answer. But in agentic AI, a group of AI collaborate, debate, and use tools to give us a best answer. So this was about agentic AI in brief. Let's discuss next thing. Like you guys must be wondering why this agentic AI matters. So there might be very huge cases if I tell you, like in business, if they want to automate their complex workflow where the analytics and memory, all these concepts are required, they can easily leverage agentic AI frameworks and complex then resolve their complex tasks. The next is for developers. They can accelerate their developing, testing, and deploying techniques by leveraging agentic AI agent. Similar for creators, like they can do R&D on the scripts. They can write their script with the help of agentic AI. So I think these are few use cases that can be useful by agentic AI. So if we put all these topics together and see how they fits with each other, so let's look into that agent, multi-agent system and agentic AI, how they are with each other. So agent is like an autonomous unit, like a single employee in our firm, like HR executive. Multi-agent system, it is like multiple agents working together, like in our firm, HR, IT, sales, all working together. Agentic AI, a super smart worker that does not only do the works but also plans, learns, and take initiative on their own. Isn't cool? So this is how like we differentiate with each other. And let's discuss about the topic of the day is Microsoft AutoGen framework. So this is where whatever theoretical topics we have discussed comes into practice. We can easily create agent and we can connect them to APIs and even human feedback loops, and it is like a open source frameworks that can easily be used to creating our complex workflow. So in the next videos, we'll be looking into the core features and important technical details of this AutoGen framework. Till then, stay tuned. And if you really like my video and want me to create more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. That was it for today. Thank you guys.